Today we are going to start modules. What is a module in Python? Modules. Yeah, it is very, very important. Yeah. Normally, a module is nothing but a group of functions, variables, and classes which are saved to a file, which is nothing but a module. Okay, for example, if you give, it is a group of functions, comma, variables, and classes which are saved to a file is nothing but a module. Here every Python file acts as a module. Okay, you take every Python file will be acting as a module. Okay, I'll tell you one example. Okay, I will be writing one example. Let us open PyCharm. Okay, in PyCharm, let us open the project of your batch. Sunvion Technologies. My batches. Where is that my batches? My batches. In my batches, 9 p.m. Open this. Hmm, notes. Where is this? Where is 1 minute? Where are you? 9 p.m. Where is that our project? Project, sir. Daily we are opening, right? Hmm. Sunvion Technologies, Python programs. Hmm. What happened? Okay, let it be. We'll write. We'll take another one. Okay, let us take this Python programs. Daily, I'm taking right. Let us take this one. Okay, here only five Python programs. Create a package called new Python package com.sunvihan.modules. Okay. Now, what is a module? A group of functions, variables, and classes which are saved to a file is nothing but a module. Okay, every Python file acts as a module. For example, if you take any Python file, okay, take one program as Sunvihan math.py. Okay, in Sunvihan math, you will be giving as x is equal to 888. Okay, def add of a comma b. add of a comma b. Okay, print sum is comma a plus b, a plus b. Okay, and def product of a comma b, def product of a comma b. Okay, and give print the product, comma a star b, a star b. Okay, this is one file. This is one file. Okay, means this module contains one variable and two functions. Okay, if I want to use the members of the module in our program, then we should import that module. Then we have to import that module. Suppose I want to use this variable x, or I want to use this add function. I want to use this product function. Okay, I want to use this product function. I want to use this add function. Then what you have to do? That Sunvian math module contains one variable and two functions. If we want to use that members of module in our program, then we should import that module. Okay, how to import that module? And we should import that module, and we have to use that functions and variables. Okay, take another program as test.py. Okay, I want to use the functions and variables which are in Sunvian math in test.py. Then you have to import Sunvian math, print of math.x, and call that functions. Okay, Sunvian math.add of 10, 20. Sunvian math.product of 10, 20. Okay, now run this file. See, you got 888, sum is 30, and the product is 200. The product is 200. Okay, the product is 200. This is nothing but a module. This is nothing but a module. Okay, if I want to rename the module at the time of import, I want to rename. Then you can rename as. See, instead of writing Sunvian math, the total big word, okay, you can write it as import Sunvian math as S, as S, and here you have to change it as S, and here you can change it as yes, and here you can change it as S. Okay, run it. Sum is 30, product is 200. Okay, suppose here in the Sunvian math, class, we have one variable and two functions. Okay, from this we can import one variable and one function also. Okay, here we can import. I want to import one function, only one function. Yes, you can do import. You can import one function also. Okay, for that, what you have to do means in test.py, from Sunvian, import Sunvian math, you have to import one function and one variable. For that, what you have to do means From Sanvihan Math, import x, comma, add. Okay, x, comma, add. X, comma, add. Okay, for that what you have to do means here you can directly give x, and here also you can directly give add. But the product, okay, if you give product, then you will be getting error here. Why? Because we did not import product. So put this in comments. Okay, put this in comments. Run. See, we got 888 and the sum is 30. And the sum is 30. Okay, if I want to import everything, if I want to import everything, then you have to give as from Sanvihan Math import star. Then you can access anything. You can access this product also. Then you can access this product also. Okay. This is about import. And we have various possibilities of import. And you have various possibilities of import. What are the various possibilities means? Import module name, import module 1, comma, module 2, comma, module 3. Okay, import module 1 as M, okay, or import module 1 as M1, comma, module 2 as M2, comma, module 3 as M3, like this. Okay, or you can have from module import member, from module import member 1, comma, member 2, comma, member 3. Okay, you can have like this also. And another one from module import member 1 as X. You can do like this also. Or you can have from module import star, like this also. Like this also. These are the various possibilities of import. These are the various possibilities of import. Okay, this is about the various possibilities of import. Next, we will be having member aliasing. Member aliasing. Okay, what is this member aliasing means? From Sanvihan Math, import x as y, comma, add as sum. Like this you can put. Okay, for this you can give print of y. Okay, in the place of add, you can give sum of 10, 20. 10, 20. Okay, here, from Sanvihan Math, import x as y, comma, add as sum, comma, product. See, in the place of x, you can give y. And in the place of add, you can give sum. Anything like this. Okay, this is the thing, but remember aliasing. This is nothing but member aliasing. Okay, now we are going to study reloading a module. By default, module will be loaded only once, even though we are importing multiple times. Even though we are importing multiple times. Okay. For example, if you want to reload the module, then what you have to do? Let us write one program on that. Mm. Import time from IMP import reload. Import module 1. Time dot sleep of 30. Reload of module 1. Time dot sleep of 30. Reload of module 1. Print. Why it is error? Why? Reload. Reload mode actions unresolved reference reload. IMP. From IMP. Yeah. Here we will be writing on module 1.py. In module.1, we will be writing one print statement. This is from module 1. Reload module. Okay, why we got this from IMP import reload? I will do one thing. I will remove this. Reload of module 1. Reload. Mm, Import IMP. Import IMP. We will be writing what IMP. I think this IMP module is deprecated in Python 3.x. Okay, Python 3.x. It is deprecated in Python 3.6 x. Why? Mm, yeah. Python 3.12, it is deprecated. Okay, it is up to Python 3.4 we got it. Okay, if you want to import, for that you have to give import lib. Import lib. Import lib. instead of that. Okay. Then here you can give as import lib dot reload. Reload here also can give as import lib dot reload. Okay. Run this. Run this means it will be reloading module 1. This module 1 is module1.py. Okay, means time dot sleep of 30 means it sleeps up to 30 seconds. Means it waits up to 30 seconds. Okay, here sleep is in time module. Sleep is in time module. In a time module. So it waits up to 30 seconds and it will be reloading this module 1 after 30 seconds. See, this is from module 1. 30 seconds or 30. See, again it came. This is from module 1. Okay, how many times we reloaded? One, two, two times. After that, you should get this is the text file. See, three times it reloaded, and at last you got this is the text file. This is the text file. Okay, this is nothing but reload module. This is nothing but reload demo program for module reloading. Okay, the main advantage of this explicit module reloading is we can ensure that updated version is always available to our program. We can ensure that updated version is always available to our program. Okay, that is the main advantage of module reloading. Okay, next function what you have is if I want to find members of a module, I want to find members of a module. Okay, there is one function called dir function. Dir function. Okay, dir function what it does means it is an inbuilt function which which lists out all members of current module or a specified module. Okay, dir is used to list out all members of the current module. All members of the current module. Okay, for that let us write one program. Finding members of module using dir function dot py. Okay, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, def f1. This is a function. Print hello. Print hello. Print of dir. Now check. See, when you give dir, what happens means whatever the modules you will be using for this function, okay, you'll be getting all the things. We will be using annotations module, we will be using built-ins module, we will be using cached module, we will be using doc, we will be using file, we will be using loader, name, package, spec, f1. F1 is a function. x, y. Okay, this is nothing but dir function. Okay, if you want to display members of particular module, if you want to display members of particular module, for example, here we have Sunvian math.py. Okay, Sunvian math is there. In Sunvian math.py, you have one variable, two functions, add and product. Add and product. Okay, I want to print dir of that all functions. Then in test.py, you write as, remove these all things, comment it, and write import Sunvian math print of dir of Sunvian math. Run. See, we got all the things. Add product X. Okay. Now we are going to work with math module. Now we are going to work with math module. Yeah, math module. Python file. Working with math module. .py. From math, import star print of square root of 4. So its math module contains all the functions. Square root function, ceil function, floor function, okay, absolute function, log function, sine function. Okay, here it is an inbuilt module. This module defines several functions which can be used for mathematical operations. Okay, those mathematical operations are, those mathematical functions are square root, ceil, floor, absolute, log, sine, tan, like that. Square root, print of floor of, floor of, floor of 10.1. What is the floor mean? What is floor? Ceil of 10.1. Print absolute. Absolute means you have to take FABS. Absolute means negative will become positive. -5. Okay. Let us run it. See 2.0. Floor means previous integer, means 10. Ceil means next integer, means 11. Means 11. Absolute means you'll be getting positive value. This is nothing but math. Next, we will be having random module. Random module. This random module is very important. What is this module? What this random module will do means, this module defines several functions to generate random numbers. Okay, we can use these functions while developing games in cryptography and to generate random numbers on fly for authentication. For authentication. Okay, this module will be defining several functions to generate random numbers. Okay, it will be generating the values between 0 and 1. 0 and 1, which are nothing but float values. Okay, see, random node ex1 from random import star for I in range of 10, print of random. Okay, run. See, these are the random values. Okay, there is another function called randint to generate integer values. To generate integer values. Okay, for that, print random integers for I in range of 10. Print of randint of 1 comma 100. Means it will be generating 10 random numbers between 1 to 100. See. Next one is uniform. There is a function called uniform. It returns random float values between two given numbers. Two given numbers. Random float values. Okay. Print for I in range of 10. Print uniform of 1 comma 10. Yeah. See. 1 comma 10. It returns random values, random float values. Next we have rand range function. Rand range function. Okay, rand range function which will be returning a random number from range. From range means start to stop. Start to stop. Okay, let us write here only. Print rand range function or I in range of 10. Print of rand range of 10. 10. It will be generating 10 random numbers. See. Okay. If you want the rand range of 1 comma 11 like this, here you don't give 10. I will be giving a 1 comma 20. See. See. It will be giving 10 numbers between 1 and 20. Okay, you can give step also. You can give step also, comma step. See, like this. Next, you have choice function. Okay, what this choice function will do means it won't return any random number. It will return a random object from the given list or tuple. Given list or tuple. Okay, print choice function. Okay, list is equal to Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winnie, Winnie. For I in range of 10. Print of choice of list. See here. Okay, this is about choice function. Now we completed the topic called modules. We completed the topic called modules. This is very small topic. Okay, tomorrow I will be starting packages. Packages and file handling. File handling. Okay, let us continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.